Okay, cool. So that's the docking station.
And,
Hi.
And open it up. Slides right out.
That's so cool. And then if you're reserving or renting this conference room, then you have access to get a code.
Code to be able to open that up, and then you can control the conference room with the app as well. This is the diplomat room. So here we can actually choose. We got a HDMI input on the underneath the table, so if a customer wants to connect up their laptop, it'll display on the TV. We also provided them with a computer here at the hotel, and you can see that all you can do is hit PC.
Oh,
and
okay.
it goes straight to the screen.
Perfect.
We've also installed Apple TV just in case they want to come in here and chill out, watch some movies. You hit Apple TV.
And then it'll come up.
You should come up with never had any issues with that. This one may be the one we have to edit. I don't know if I can give that one enough time.
There we go.